Okay, we're going to work some equations that have variables on both sides. These equations are going to include all the operations that we've done up to this point. And so let's just get started with number one here. Just think about PEMDAS, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we're going to distribute. We're going to distribute this -6 to that 1 and that 8. So we got -6 minus 48. And let's try writing it again. -6 minus 48x plus 2x. That is equal to -6 plus 2x, right? So we've got variables on both sides here. We want to figure out what this x is equal to. So at this point, we're going to combine like terms. Remember, like terms, they're variables that are raised to the same power. You can only add or subtract like terms, constants or like terms. Since we've got them on both sides, let's do one side at a time. One side at a time. We're going to start with this side. What's my like terms here? You got a -48 and a 2. When you combine a -48 and a 2, you get a -46. We'll put our variable back in. Get -46x. We got -6 is equal, not equal. Got -6 minus 46x. And we know that is equal to -6 plus 2x. We'd like to work with positive coefficients, so I'm going to add 46x to both sides. Would I get a different answer if I subtracted 2x from both sides? No. So now these disappear. So now I'm left with -6 is equal to -6 plus 48x. And then I'm going to move this 6 to the other side. 6 minus 6, -6 plus 6 is just 0. So I got a 48x minus 6 plus 6 is 0. These are opposites, right? When you add opposites, you get 0. Divide both sides by 48. 0 divided by 48, 0. So we know x is equal to 0. So all we did is we just did our PEMDAS. We distributed this -6, combined our like terms. We figured out what side we wanted the variable, and then we solved the problem. Let's do one more. It's I don't know, which one do you think? Let's do 12. 12 looks kind of complicated. I want to start it out up here. So you got 5x minus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to -3x minus 14. So we're going to distribute first. -2 times 2 is -2x. Negative times a negative is a positive, so I'm going to go ahead and write my positive sign down first. Put this 5x here, so you got 5x minus 2x plus 4. Since we like to work with one side at a time, let's go ahead and combine like terms. 5 minus 2 is 3x plus 4. That's equal to -3x minus 14, right? Minus 14. Well, if we add a 3x to both sides, this becomes a positive 6x over here, plus 4 is equal to a -14. Is that right? Let's see, make sure I didn't make any mistakes. Plus 4, plus 4. Okay, we're looking good. 5x minus 2 is 3x. So we subtract 4 from over here, subtract 4 from over here. So you got 6x is equal to -18. Notice how I kind of checked my work halfway through because you don't want to get to the very end and have a problem. 6 times x, your inverse operation is multiplication. These become 1. Negative 18 divided by 6 is a negative 3. And that's how we do problems with variables on both equations, or variables on both sides of the equal sign. If you want a copy of this worksheet, go to the link in the YouTube description. Get it. There's 24 problems. Practice them. Good luck.